Looking for the best budget graphics cards to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. AMD Radeon RX 7600 AMD has long been celebrated for delivering exceptional price to performance value, and the RX 7600 upholds this legacy with flying colors. Leveraging the power of AMD's advanced Adreno 3 architecture, the RX 7600 introduces a host of improvements that make it a worthy successor to its predecessors. This architecture not only enhances overall performance, but also brings more efficient power utilization and better thermal management. As a result, gamers and creators can enjoy top-tier performance without the need for expensive system upgrades. The RX 7600 competitive pricing positions it as a strong contender in the budget GPU market, making it accessible to a wide range of users looking to elevate their gaming or productivity experience. Picture diving into your favorite AAA games, running them at 1080p resolution with high settings, and still experiencing very smooth frame rates that enhance immersion, thanks to its 8GB of GDDR6 memory and robust ray tracing capabilities. The RX 7600 doesn't just stop at performance, it brings cutting-edge technology like real-time lighting and shadows into the hands of budget-conscious users. Its energy-efficient design is another major advantage, allowing seamless integration into older setups without the hassle of upgrading the power supply unit. Whether you're a competitive gamer tackling fast-paced esports titles like Valorant or Fortnite, or a budding content creator editing 4K videos, the RX 7600 is equipped to handle these tasks effortlessly, proving itself as an exceptional entry-level GPU for modern needs. Number 2. Nvidia GeForce RTX 460. The Nvidia GeForce RTX 460 is a remarkable budget-friendly GPU that exemplifies Nvidia's commitment to delivering cutting-edge technology at an accessible price. Built on the advanced Ada Lovelace architecture, the RTX 4060 redefines what's possible in terms of performance and efficiency for mid-range graphics cards. This architecture introduces significant enhancements in ray tracing, shading, and overall rendering efficiency, ensuring a smooth and visually stunning gaming experience. Whether you're gaming, creating content, or handling productivity tasks, the RTX 460 provides the power and versatility needed to elevate your workflow or entertainment setup to new heights. One standout feature of the RTX 460 is Nvidia's DLSS 3.0 technology, which uses AI-driven upscaling to deliver higher frame rates while maintaining exceptional image quality. This means that even graphically demanding games can run smoothly without compromising on visual fidelity, making it perfect for gamers seeking high settings at 1440p resolution. The 8GB of GDDR6 VR ensures that modern titles perform seamlessly even under heavy graphical loads. For streamers, the encoder is a game-changer, enabling crisp professional-looking live streams with minimal performance loss. Additionally, the card's processing power makes it a solid choice for casual 3D modeling or AI-driven projects, giving creators and hobbyists a reliable tool for their creative endeavors. Number 3. Intel ARC 580. Intel's ARC 580 marks an exciting new chapter in the GPU market, establishing Intel as a strong contender beyond its renowned dominance in the CPU industry. Positioned as an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers, the ARC 580 offers a combination of impressive specifications and innovative features at a price point that's hard to ignore. Intel's entry into the GPU scene shakes up the market by providing users with another reliable choice for gaming and productivity, all while maintaining competitive pricing. This card is a testament to Intel's commitment to delivering high-quality performance across a broader spectrum of computing needs. Equipped with 8GB of GDDR6 memory, the ARC 580 is well suited for modern gaming and creative workloads. Its support for hardware-based ray tracing introduces realistic lighting and shadow effects, allowing gamers to experience immersive visuals without breaking the bank. One standout feature is CSS, Intel's AI-driven upscaling technology, which enhances frame rates in supported games while preserving impressive visual fidelity. Titles like Cyberpunk 2077 run smoothly on this card, making it a compelling option for gamers who want to explore graphically demanding worlds without investing in high-end pus. Number 4. Gigabyte Radeon RX 6600 Eagle 8G Graphics Card. The Gigabyte Radeon RX 6600 Eagle 8G stands out as a dependable and versatile GPU, catering to both gamers and professionals with equal finesse. Designed with a sleek aesthetic and engineered for practicality, this card balances performance, efficiency, and reliability, making it a go-to choice for those seeking value without compromises. Its robust cooling system not only ensures consistent performance during extended gaming sessions, but also supports heavy workloads for tasks like video editing or 3D rendering. Whether you're a gamer chasing immersive experiences or a creator tackling demanding projects, the RX 6600 Eagle is built to handle it all. Tailored for 1080p gaming, this card delivers smooth performance in graphically rich titles like Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 and Assassin's Creed Valhalla. It combines power with efficiency, drawing just 132W, which makes it an excellent option for users with older systems or those looking to avoid upgrading their PSU. Gigabytes custom cooling solution, featuring dual quiet fans, keeps temperatures in check even under intense loads, ensuring reliable operation without distracting noise. This thoughtful design enhances the overall user experience, allowing you to focus on your game or work without interruptions. Number 5. XFX Speedster SWFD 319. Its sleek and minimalist design exudes a premium feel, while its sturdy build quality ensures long-lasting reliability. This card isn't just about aesthetics, it's designed to deliver a top-notch gaming experience for users who want excellent value for their money. Whether you're gaming, creating content, or running a multi-monitor setup, the SWFD 319 has the capability to handle it all with style and efficiency. Powered by AMD's RX 6700 series GPU, the SWFD 319 excels in 1440p gaming. Offering smooth and immersive performance in demanding titles, its 12 GB of GDDR6 memory ensures that even modern games with high VRM requirements run seamlessly, giving you the freedom to crank up the settings without worry. The support for DirectX 12 Ultimate future-proofs this card for next gaming, enabling stunning visuals and advanced features like ray tracing. XFX's advanced cooling solution further enhances the user experience by maintaining low temperatures and quiet operation. Even during intense marathon sessions, if you're a fan of breathtaking visuals in games or need the extra power for multitasking across multiple displays, the SWFD 319 is a fantastic budget-friendly choice that doesn't compromise on performance or quality. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for the best deals.